morning, YouTube. I hope everybody's doing well while you're watching this video. Today's gonna be sick because I'm revisiting Simi Valley. The trails are really rocky, really gnarly, and the features are amazing. Like the amount of work that's been put into them, it's insane. Should be a great Sunday, my friends. We made it. Let's get geared up. This place is not only really fun to ride, but extremely beautiful. Just some of the shapes of the rocks and things like that are insane. You can do some heavy exploring in here. Crazy. We made it, so I'm gonna strap on the GoPro and send her off. Here we go. Phew. Got stuck there. It's so loose. It's insane. This part is very sketchy and steep. Oh. I didn't fall like last time though. Dang it. Damn. I thought I had it. Oh man, I twisted my thumb. A little awkward. We're right though. I think I just hesitated. I pushed the front brake and it just threw me off. Look at how banged up I got. And I wanted to hit this section so clean. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back and hit it. Oh. All right, so last time we went to the right. This time we're gonna go scope this one. Let's see. Yo! Oh, that's bad. Look, you can see how many scratches there are. My poor derailleur. Let's give this another go. That was such a weird grunt. Oh, that was a snake. I don't know what's ahead here, so I'm very stop and go. Hop back. Nope. Oh. Well, that kind of sucked, and at the same time it didn't, because I constantly want to keep progressing, and I know with progression there's a lot of failure. So it did suck that I fell, and you know, my thumb's a little banged up. I mean, like I said, I think it's just jammed, but I can move it pretty fine and I can get a good grip on things. So with that fall, I learned what not to do, and I know why it happened. I just pressed the front brake too hard, and then I just hit a rock awkwardly, and then those two combined, hitting the brake and hitting that rock, it just flung me over the bars, and that resulted in me falling. But yeah, like I said, it's part of progression. I'm okay, thankfully. I'm still smiling, I'm still good. I'm still keep riding, still keep shredding. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.